Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam to protect yourself on the road in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon, covering video quality, night performance, parking mode, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER 4K Dashcam Front and Rear F7NP. The REDTIGER F7NP is a premium front and rear dashcam featuring true 4K front recording and a STARVIS 2 sensor for superior image clarity. It includes a free memory card and supports fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick downloads. This dashcam stands out for its excellent daytime and nighttime performance. The GPS feature records speed and location, while the wide 170-degree angle captures more of the road. Parking mode offers 24-hour protection, making it great for daily drivers. Pros: 4K front camera with STARVIS 2 sensor, excellent night vision with WDR, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, front and rear recording included. If you want reliable 4K recording with strong night performance, the REDTIGER F7NP is a solid premium choice. Number 2. 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear, 128 GB included. This dashcam offers 4K recording on both front and rear cameras and comes with a free 128 GB memory card. It supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, and up to 512 GB storage. With dual 4K cameras, this model is perfect for users who want maximum detail from both angles. The 3-inch IPS screen is clear and easy to use, and the G sensor automatically locks footage during collisions. Pros: dual 4K front and rear recording, free 128 GB memory card included, GPS and fast Wi-Fi support, large IPS display. This is a great option if you want high-resolution footage on both front and rear cameras without buying extra accessories. Number 3. VIOFO A119 Mini 2. The VIOFO A119 Mini 2 is a compact dashcam powered by a STARVIS 2 sensor, recording at 2K 60 FPS or HDR 30 FPS. It includes voice control, GPS, and a supercapacitor for better heat resistance. This dashcam is ideal for users who want top-tier image quality in a small design. Night Vision 2 delivers clear footage in low light, and the supercapacitor makes it more durable in hot climates. Pros: excellent image quality with STARVIS 2, compact and discreet design, voice control support, and supercapacitor for longer lifespan. If you want a high-quality single-channel dashcam, the VIOFO A119 Mini 2 is one of the best choices in 2026. Number 4. Vantrue N2X Front and Inside Dashcam. The Vantrue N2X is designed for rideshare drivers, featuring a front camera and an inside cabin camera. It records up to 2.7K resolution and uses STARVIS 2 with infrared night vision. This model excels at interior night recording, making it ideal for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers. The 60 FPS recording ensures smooth footage, while voice control and GPS add extra convenience. Pros: front and inside recording, infrared night vision for the cabin, STARVIS 2 sensor, great for rideshare and taxis. If you want professional drivers who need inside and front coverage, the Vantrue N2X is an excellent choice. Number 5. 4K dashcam front and rear, 64 GB included. This dashcam offers 4K front recording, rear camera support, built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, and comes with a 64 GB memory card. It features a 3.96-inch IPS display and loop recording. This is a budget-friendly option with strong core features. It delivers good video quality, reliable night vision, and essential safety tools like G-sensor and parking monitor. Pros: affordable 4K dash cam, GPS and Wi-Fi included, free 64GB memory card, easy-to-use interface. If you're on a budget but still want 4K recording and dual cameras, this dash cam offers great value. So, those are the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2026. Whether you want premium 4K quality, rideshare protection, or the best budget option, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and check the links in the description for the latest prices.